Imagine a city where streets are replaced by canals, where gondolas glide silently under centuries-old bridges, and where history echoes through marble palaces and golden basilicas. This is Venice, one of the most unique and enchanting destinations in the world. In this video, you'll discover everything you need: the best time to visit, how to get from the airport to the city, where to stay, the smartest ways to get around, and of course, a complete day-by-day itinerary filled with landmarks, hidden gems, and authentic food experiences. Stay until the end, because every day comes with insider tips to help you explore Venice like a local. And remember, you'll find the link in the description to download our full Venice ebook with a bonus extra day itinerary and all the tips you'll need right on your phone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel guides, and let's get started. Best time to visit Venice. Spring, from March to May, offers mild weather and blooming squares, perfect for walking tours and gondola rides. Summer brings long sunny days and festivals, but it's also crowded and expensive. Fall, especially September and October, is warm and less busy, with cultural events like the Venice Film Festival. November can bring fog and the famous Acqua Alta, the high water floods. Winter is quiet, cheaper, and magical with misty canals and carnival, though it's colder. Insider tip: late April through May, or September to early October, offers the best balance of weather, price, and crowd levels, getting from the airport or train station to the city center. If you arrive at Marco Polo Airport, you can take the Eli Laguna water bus to stops like San Marco or Rialto for around 15 euros. A private water taxi is the most scenic and direct option, but costs between 100 and 140 euros per boat. For budget travelers, buses connect the airport to Piazzale Roma for 10 euros, and from there you can take a Vaporetto, Venice's water bus. From Treviso Airport, shuttles bring you to Venice in about 70 minutes for 12 euros. And if you arrive by train, Santa Lucia Station is right on the Grand Canal, with Vaporettos waiting outside. Insider tip: if your hotel is near St. Mark's Square or Rialto, the Eli Laguna water bus offers the best value, but if you want a wow arrival, splurge on the private water taxi. Where to stay in Venice. San Marco is the heart of the city, close to landmarks but pricey, averaging 200 to 350 euros per night. Cannaregio is more authentic and budget-friendly, with great food and prices around 120 to 200 euros. Dorsoduro is artistic and quieter, with hotels averaging 150 to 250 euros. Castello is close to San Marco but less crowded. Santa Croce is convenient for buses and trains, while Mestre, on the mainland, is much cheaper at 70 to 120 euros a night but lacks Venice's charm. Insider tip: for first-time visitors, San Marco or Dorsoduro give you the best balance of convenience and atmosphere. Getting around Venice. Walking is the best way to explore Venice, but for longer distances, the Vaporetto is essential. A single ticket costs 9 euros and 50 cents, while passes are better value: 25 euros for 1 day, 35 for 2, or 45 for 3. Water taxis are quick but expensive, costing 70 to 100 euros. Gondolas are the city's symbol, at 80 euros for 30 minutes during the day, or 100 at night. Insider tip: take a traghetto, a shared gondola ferry, for just 2 euros. It's the cheapest gondola ride in Venice. Day-by-day itinerary. Now let's move on to the highlight of this guide: the complete day-by-day itinerary. This is where we take you step-by-step through Venice, from your morning coffee to evening dinners, with attractions, hidden gems, and insider tips along the way. Each day is carefully designed so you can make the most of your time without wasting energy or getting lost in the city's maze. Let's begin with day 1. Begin your morning at Pasticceria Tonolo, a legendary pastry shop dating back to 1886. Famous for its fratelli and strong espresso, breakfast here costs 5 to 8 euros. Insider tip: arrive before 10 a.m. Locals know the best pastries sell out quickly. Next, visit St. Mark's Basilica, Venice's most iconic landmark. Its golden mosaics and Byzantine domes feel like stepping into another world. Entrance is free, but for €6, you can access the terrace with sweeping square views. Insider tip: visit in the morning when sunlight makes the mosaics glow. For lunch, stop at Trattoria al Gazzettino, a cozy restaurant near Rialto Bridge. Known for seafood risotto and pasta, meals average 20 to 30 euros. Insider tip: portions are large. Share a starter to save room for dessert. Walk to the Rialto Bridge, the oldest and most famous across the Grand Canal. It's free to visit and perfect for photos. Insider tip: cross to the quieter side for better views and cheaper cafes. In the afternoon, enjoy Gelatoteca Suso, one of the city's top gelaterias. With flavors like pistachio and tiramisu, gelato costs 4 to 6 euros. Insider tip: order 2 flavors, the scoops are generous. At sunset, take a gondola ride, the ultimate Venice experience. Rides cost 80 euros for 30 minutes by day, or 100 after 7 p.m. per boat. Insider tip: share with friends to split the cost. End the evening with dinner at Osteria da Fiore, a Michelin-starred restaurant that elevates Venetian seafood classics. Dinner averages 60 to 90 euros. Insider tip: reserve ahead. This is one of Venice's most in-demand restaurants. Day 2. Start at Rosa Salva, a historic cafe near Doge's palace. Enjoy a cornetto and cappuccino for 6 to 9 euros. Insider tip: try the zeletti, a cornmeal cookie unique to Venice. Then, tour Doge's palace, once the seat of Venice's rulers. Admire grand halls filled with art by Tintoretto and Veronese. Entrance costs 30 euros. Insider tip: arrive at opening time for fewer crowds. Cross the Bridge of Sighs, connecting the palace to the prison. Free to see outside, included in the palace ticket to walk through. Insider tip: imagine prisoners' last view of Venice before jail. It's chilling and iconic. For lunch, dine at Osteria alla Testiere, a tiny seafood spot with a menu that changes daily. Average meal costs 35 to 50 euros. Insider tip: book days in advance, it fills up fast. In the afternoon, visit the Gallery dell'Accademia, home to Renaissance masterpieces by Bellini and Titian. Entrance costs 12 euros. Insider tip: go mid-afternoon for a calmer experience. Later, enjoy a coffee at Café Florian, founded in 1720, the oldest cafe in Europe. Coffee and pastry costs 12 to 20 euros. Insider tip: splurge for a seat outside with live music. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. At sunset, cross the Accademia Bridge, offering postcard views of the Grand Canal. Free to visit. Insider tip: arrive 30 minutes before sunset for golden hour light. Dinner is at Antici Carampani, a hidden gem known for traditional seafood. Expect 45 to 60 euros per person. Insider tip: there's no big sign. The tucked-away location keeps it local. Day 3. Begin at Torrefazione Cannaregio, beloved for its coffee. Try their iced cafe Shakerato. Breakfast costs 6 to 9 euros. Insider tip: buy beans to bring home. The locals swear by them. Take the Vaporetto to Murano, the island of glass. Visit the Glass Museum for 10 euros and see centuries of glass art. Insider tip: factory demos are often free, but avoid tourist traps. Next, continue to Burano, known for its rainbow houses and lace shops. Exploring the island is free. Insider tip: don't miss the Leaning Bell Tower of San Martino for unique photos. For lunch, stop at Trattoria al Gatto Nero, a Burano institution. Famous for risotto di go, meals cost 35 to 55 euros. Insider tip: reserve in advance. It's the island's most popular trattoria. Return to Venice and stroll through Cannaregio, one of the city's most authentic neighborhoods. Visit the Jewish ghetto, free to explore, and enjoy the quieter canals. Insider tip: this is the perfect place to see Venetians' daily life. For aperitivo, head to Cantina do Mori, one of Venice's oldest bacari. Try cicchetti with an ombra, a small glass of wine. Expect 12 to 18 euros. Insider tip, order the Bacala Mantecado Crostini. It's a true Venetian classic. Finish with dinner at Trattoria da Gigio, serving hearty Venetian dishes like bagoli in salsa. Meals average 25 to 40 euros. Insider tip, this spot offers excellent value away from tourist-heavy areas. And there you have it, a complete 3-day Venice itinerary that blends iconic landmarks, authentic food, and hidden gems for an unforgettable trip. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can download the full Venice Travel ebook with all details, insider tips, and a bonus extra day itinerary using the link in the description. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more complete travel guides, and let us know in the comments which part of Venice you're most excited to explore. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.